Calibrating VersaLink C9000 color printers with the precise color meter ensures objective color consistency throughout the life of the imaging components. Xerox Precise Color Management System software and the Precise Color Meter work together to calibrate the printer. This toolset can also customize color control for users with specific color needs. To begin, launch PCMS. Click Calibrate my VersaLink C9000 and select a measurement device and a printer. Make sure Print Reference Page is checked and click Print. After the page prints, click Next, which moves the workflow from printer to measurement. Connect the precise color meter to the computer. And follow the directions for calibrating the meter. To rotate the optical sensor into the correct position, hold the meter by the white cover and rotate the grey ring. Place the meter on a blank sheet of the same paper used to print the chart and press the button. After the automatic meter calibration is complete, use the meter to scan the chart. To ensure that the color of the table does not interfere, make sure there are 3 pieces of paper under the chart. Place the meter on the column that is selected on the screen. Press and hold the button while scanning each column. Release the button when you reach the end of the swatches. When you have scanned all the columns, click the button to send the calibration to the printer. Congratulations, the printer is now calibrated.